Hello and welcome back to Enchanting Lights, all of you. Today we are going to make something different and something related to our skin, which is skin friendly, which is homemade and which is completely natural. So we are going to make body butter bars or lotion bars with all the natural ingredients available with us. So winters are here and we all are facing the problem of dry, flaky and itchy skin, and we all want to get rid of this issue which is here. So today we'll be going to make these lovely smelling body butter bars or lotion bars, which will not only get rid of your dry skin but also gives you a soothing and itching free skin. So for this we will be needing coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax and essential oil of your choice. I have taken lavender essential oil over here. Now I have taken 50 grams of shea butter, 50 grams of beeswax and 60 grams of coconut oil. So now let's proceed further with the video. So we are going to mix all the ingredients in this microwave safe container. So at first we are going to put the beeswax. We are using beeswax because it acts as a hardening agent, and lotion bars are a bit harder and they are handy. We can just put it in our handbag and use them while traveling. So they are very good option for winters. And coconut oil. Now we have to melt all these ingredients in the microwave for good 1 to 2 minutes or until all the ingredients are completely melted. So I will be melting them in the burst of 30 seconds and then I'll be rechecking them, because if you are melting at a stretch of 1 minute you might burn the ingredients. So it's advisable to melt them step by step in the burst of 30 seconds. And once they are completely melted, we will be putting them into our silicone molds. So I have completely melted all the ingredients and I am going to put some 10 drops of lavender essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice, and you can make many variations in these. You can make rose lotion bars, you can make green tea lotion bars, you can make vanilla lotion bars. So there are a lot of options available. So 10 to 12 drops I have taken in this spoon lavender essential oil, and I'll mix it properly. I have taken this cute Christmas molds because Christmas is also approaching, so these make great gifts. So I just thought of using these molds, Christmas silicone molds, and just gently pour this solution into your silicone molds. Now we will let this lotion bar set for good half an hour. You can also refrigerate this for quick setting, and once this sets up we will be demolding them. So this is that easy to make these pretty lotion bars. I'll show you once they are ready to demold. So these lotion bars are now ready to demold, and it's very easy to demold them. Just take these out. So these are our Christmas special lotion bars. You can make them in any shape, in any size. and these are extremely soft. And I'll show you the application of one of the lotion bar. You just have to take it and gently rub it on your hand, and you can just see the difference, how soft my skin has become. They are extremely useful for winters. They give a great skin, and this is a very simple, easy DIY. Do try these lotion bars and give them to your friends and family in this Christmas. And don't forget to subscribe, share and comment on this video, and do watch Enchanting Lights and keep encouraging us with all your comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.